Wake up, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. Fresh, Mr. Good morning. Ooh. This is the morning of the graduation. As you can see, I have already laid my wig and getting ready. It was really hard trying to get the angles and get ready at the same time because there was so much going on in Grahamstown. When there's water, there's no electricity. When there's electricity, there's no water. So trying to get everything done quickly. Okay, this is in the morning. Then we're driving to where my dad was because there was no... we didn't like the place we were at, but anyways, so we're going to shower at my dad's, and this is us just passing roads, thinking about the fact that I will be coming back, going up to Monument. Anyways, this is kind of like a mini tour, and this is me and my sister in the background, and I'm just feeling okay. If you're wondering, like, this whole time I wasn't really feeling any vivid emotions, and that's my mom. Back to me, sun kissed or whatever, per. Exactly. Exactly. And we got to where my dad was. This was after we had done what? No makeup. No, we were just chilling. Yeah, I think. Guys, I don't really remember. This is my mom and my sisters. And yeah, as usual, I was a photographer. I was taking videos of people. Barely any videos of me. Nothing new, quite honestly. Okay, so now we're on our way to have breakfast. So yeah, because my graduation was the second session, which was from 2:30. So that's just me, and we went to Revelations. If you've been to Grahamstown, then you know where this place is. And we just had our breakfast here. Here's everybody ready. We were ready here because we had showered and everything. We just needed to get back, do our makeup and all of that, and dress up. So yeah, waiting for our food. There am I again, and the food arrived. I didn't like the way they made the cake, that thick, whatever that was. I like to still, for you to have that fluffy, whatever. Anyways, this is us on our way to get the grad tickets because we didn't get them the previous day, and it was almost time, but we left my dad behind. And there we go. Congratulations on your graduation. And we were going up to Monument because we first went to the student bureau and they said, no, the tickets are now at Monument. So I got the tickets here. As you can see, it's still empty. And we went back down to fetch my dad because he was not done. So we just needed to rush and get the tickets. So this is us coming back from Monument to go fetch my dad. And yeah, and then we fetched him, and this is us back at Monument. And finding parking here was a mess. So we found it down there, and my heels were high. This is us walking in. That's me, baby, Bachelor of Commerce, per. And this was my mom taking footage of the stage. I was already on the stage, but yeah, we're just waiting for everyone else to walk onto the stage. And I needed to put this clip there because I know it's not landscape, but bear with me. Let me bask in this moment, okay? That's amazing.
Thank you, my baby.
Latoya Bafidele.
this was at the end of the ceremony. Everyone's leaving. Yeah, I had my little 2 minutes of fame on stage, and then we decided, no man, like, this was after the garden party. I don't have footage. This was the next day. The garden party, because I was graduating on a Friday. So this was, yeah, the garden party. So anyways, this is me having my savannah. Look at the scenery. We were driving now to Port Alfred because the garden party was quite boring, but the food and the snacks was needed, so that was nice. And yeah, still driving to Port Alfred because PE was too far, so I said let's go to Port Alfred. And yeah, Port Alfred is really nice, really beautiful scenery, beautiful houses. Can you see how clean these streets are? Like, and this was the harbor. We got lost. Well, the GPS lost us and took us in here. Kanti, the beach is like the other side, like around this. Okay. So we ended up finding our way, and look at me. Look at that house behind me. And this is where we were. So pretty, so beautiful. But this is the side that they were scared to go to because they were like, why are there no people on this side? So when we walked up those stairs to the beach, it was emptier. But down the beach was where there were more people. So we drove down a bit to where there were more people. And yeah, we just had fun in the water, as you will see soon enough. This was me, like, my feet are so sensitive, so walking barefoot is like a problem for me, like walking outside barefoot. But this is the little place I was telling you guys about. So cute. But they were like, it's too empty this side, sketchy. So we went to the other side. And now we were on the other side, just taking some cute videos of our toes. And look at that. This was really needed. This was really beautiful. Like, I loved every moment of this. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and so did everyone. But this was just us at the beach. Obviously, we weren't prepared, so we didn't really like swim or anything. It was just our feet and playing around, and yeah. And this was just me taking a video of myself because I wouldn't be in the vlog. But yeah, this is just me.
I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. Good boys a liar, good boys a liar. He doesn't see her, you're not making up me, boy. Good boys a liar, good boys a liar. He doesn't see her, you're not making up me, boy. Good enough, 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 good enough.
And then we drove back to Grahamstown because it was late now, and then we were just gonna have supper and then leave the next morning.
Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
So this is just one of the clips on our way back. They were trying to tie the thing underneath there because at the garage they told us that, hey, that thing is loose. And this is just a silly video I wanted you guys to see. Popping champagne. Look at everyone run away. Yeah, chaotic match. Yes, sir.
But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Signing out.